I think we're done. Level 4. Today is the day, guys. My truck is tuned. You guys have been waiting for this. If you didn't watch my last video, I drove my truck without the tune and I was a little nervous. So today we're gonna drive it and see if the issue with my transmission is fixed, okay? So let's go. Man, that sounds so good. Like, these VGT turbos are no joke. And it's like a continuous spool. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick drive. Oh my God! What? Oh my goodness, it's a different truck. It is now I do have up pipes. I do have, what else I have? I have down pipe, 5-inch exhaust. It's a different truck. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Now we're a little bit warmer. Oh my. What? Oh my. All right, we can sell the Corvette now. I don't need it anymore. This is my new Corvette. DieselR Corp, you outdid yourselves. This is a different truck. Like, I mean, my transmission, I haven't had any weird shifts so far. And I almost wonder if the extra power might even help a little bit, you know, in between the gears. So we'll have to monitor that in time. But yeah, the tune, I mean, there's a little bit of black smoke, but you're gonna have a little bit, you know, obviously, right? Especially when you're accelerating, especially off the line. But right now, I don't see any black smoke. Nothing. Oh my goodness, it is so fast. It's like a different truck. I am shocked. Let me see. I'm at 40 miles an hour. This is where my little hesitation comes in at. So whenever if I'm like giving it 30% throttle, that's 30%, and then I give it something, there's always like a little bit of a shudder, but we'll have to keep monitoring that because the transmission is still at 102 degrees. Oh, we gotta check out the exhaust brake. Let's see what that sounds like too. Oh yeah, the exhaust brake is, you can hear it for sure now with the whistle. Oh my goodness. Rest in peace, transmission. It's gone. We gotta buy a new transmission, babe. Oh. This is how the truck should come from the factory. I need to start a car company because I will just absolutely go against everyone. I'd make so much money. The lawsuits wouldn't matter. Do you feel that? The exhaust brake is like, it's now working now. Oh man. Well, I feel bad for you guys. I mean, you know, I don't know what to tell you. We're moving to Mexico. Oh my gosh. It is like so much more responsive. Let's downshift one more time. Hope you guys can hear that. Oh man, you know, I've always kept my trucks completely stock in the past, and I probably messed myself up because, you know, the manufacturers do a great job building the products, but you know, these aftermarket companies like DieselR Corp and so many others have just really unlocked the potential that these trucks really have. I mean, this is not even the same truck, guys. I feel like I'm driving a different truck. No check engine lights, and I mean, wait till we start doing fuel economy tests. I'm pretty sure I'll go up 20-30% easily. And I don't know how I'll be able to do that because I won't be able to keep my foot out of it. I mean, this is fun. This is like a whole new truck. I feel like I dare someone to race me in this thing. That's how I feel. I dare you to race me. It's just gonna hurt. Does it sound like it's a little droney inside of here?
A little bit.
It's a little droney, so we'll have to go to the highway this weekend. I wish I can go now, but I'll just be sitting in traffic anyway, so it wouldn't be worth it. But man, guys, I am so happy. Yeah, these trucks have so much potential that's just being choked. They choke these trucks down to the bare bone, and they've done nothing to make them better. I mean, like, my goodness, this is a completely different truck. Super happy. All right, let's do some temperature test. So, reading about 190 degrees on the exhaust tip, and let's just check out the tires just for kicks and giggles. Look at that, about 97 degrees on the tires. It's about 70 something degrees today. Let's start with this hot side of the boost tubes, about 160 there. Intake manifold, about 140. And compressor side of the turbo, sorry for that blur. And then hot side, about 345, 346. Downpipe is 325-ish. And then those up pipes down there, and about you saw about 320 on there. And then heads, about 192. Not bad, not bad at all. Oh man, so here's what I'll tell you. I don't want to make any decisions for anybody. You have to figure out for yourself if this is worth it, because it's a lot of work. It's not easy to do. Risk reward, obviously. But if I had to do it all over again, after this tune, I'm completely sold. Like, their tune is just freaking killer. Like, they did a great job. I'll have to wait and see when I get on the highway. Hopefully next week I'll be able to drive this truck, get it up to 80 miles an hour, see if the drone is good or bad. I drove the truck home after I got everything done, and so when I did that, I plugged part of the DEF system, and I guess the nut that I put in there must have got blown out. And I was like, I saw all this white like mist on the side of the underbody of my truck. What the heck is this? And then I looked and I'm like, oh, that's why. So unfortunately, those systems are going to still work until you get the tune done. So I don't really recommend you drive your truck. Don't drive it. I think that with the way the transmission was shifting, it was really bad. Now, granted, I got the truck up to speed and it did get warm. I don't recall it doing that when I was driving when it was still a little bit cold. But yeah, so far, all that's been resolved. I got a lot of videos to do. I still have to do videos. Someone actually emailed me about my VSC catch can because they were wondering if they should just do that or just do the whole kit. My humble opinion is just do the whole, if you're planning on keeping your truck long term, just do the whole thing. I think it's worth it. And yeah, I think they, at the time when I got this, they gave me like a nice discount at the time. And I think I got, oh no, I don't think I got free shipping. I think that was still something I had to pay for. But yeah, this is 100% worth it. Wait till we see fuel economy. I know for a fact we're gonna see a huge bump. No more regens, right? That's gone. So we're gonna probably easily get over 20 mpg. So these are all the benefits that you get with these types of tuning. So hope this was helpful. I have a promo code down below for DieselR Corp. If you would like any Banks products, I have a promo code for that too. Insane Diesel, right over here. I just picked this up today. So I have to change my oil soon so I can send out an analysis. So oil bypass, I have a bunch of stuff done to this truck, a lot of videos to come. You know, you guys told me in the past you want me to do upgrades, so I'm doing them now. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications. I'm not going to be answering questions, guys, unfortunately, on this type of stuff. Just understand why. I don't need to explain it to you. But yeah, the oil that you use, everything that you're planning on doing to your truck, if you're following me, bulletproof your truck. That's all I'm going to say. See you guys soon.